in this question we are given that x by y is equal to c by d, and we also have that d by c is equal to b by a. We have to find which of the following three options are true. So we move on to step 2. Now in step 2, we can write this equation as it is, which is x by y equal to c by d. Now the second equation can be written as c by d equal to a by b. Now we can combine these two equations to get one single equation as x by y equal to c by d is equal to a by b. Using this equation, we can equate any of the fractions and get the required answer. For example, this equation can be written x by y equal to a by b, or c by d is equal to x by y, or c by d is equal to a by b. So these are the three that we need to check. So we now move on to step 3. Now in step 3, we first check the statement 1. In statement 1, we have y by x is equal to b by a. On taking the reciprocal of this, we get x by y equal to a by b, which we can see is true from the first equation that we get. So option 1 is correct. Now in statement 2, we have x by a equal to y by b. Cross multiplying it, we get x into b is equal to y into a. And now dividing by y on both sides and by b on both sides, we get, so b gets cancelled here and y gets cancelled here. We have x by y equal to a by b, which is also correct. So the second option is also correct. Now in statement 3, we have y by a is equal to x by b. Cross multiplying it, we get yb is equal to ax, and on dividing by bx on both sides, we get yb by bx is equal to ax by bx. Now b cancels here on the left hand side and x cancels here on the right hand side. We get y by x is equal to a by b. Now from this equation, we can see that x by y is equal to a by b, whereas we have got y by x is equal to a by b. So the third option is not correct. So the correct answers are option 1 and option 2. So the correct answer for the question is option C.